So, all right, y'all, like I say, this is pretty much how I bought the gun, y'all. We got the Diamondback db15 5.56 223. And for the budget rifle, man, this pretty much what you may want to go with, man. Like I say, definitely comes in at a budget. I think I only paid $500 for this one. It was a used gun, but of course, a lot of people buy guns and don't shoot them. So
Cap.
this is gonna be the before process. Like I said, I already got a few attachments. I'll be breaking down videos on how to put those on. And then we'll get to the, kind of like towards the finished project on this gun, y'all. So like I said, this is how we're going to start out. Everything pretty much stock. Haven't changed the muzzle. I pretty much don't want to change the barrel because I already barrel. I want to make sure I got that. Got E-mags in. Got another hand grip in. Got another stock. Got to order a laser steel, but I also have a foregrip that came in. So we're going to go ahead and start putting those on one by one. All right, y'all, so we're gonna start putting things on. Of course, gun safety is a must. I had this mag in just to show y'all how it is and how it looks. So gonna get the mag out. Know the chamber is empty, obviously it's wide open. But pretty much to take the stock off, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna pull down like that, and you can actually get that stock all the way off. So I'll show you how it look on the inside. When you just hit the lever itself, it still holds. But whenever you actually pull it out or down, you get it all the way clear. So that's gonna be an easy way to change your mags out. Or not your mags, but your stock. My bad, y'all, I'm talking ahead of myself. I say, y'all, this the one I spray painted. Still gonna change it out, but I just wanted something solid black for the most part. I'm already scratching it up. Wanted something solid black for the most part. So, like I say, same deal. When you hit that, it stops right here, but it's levers on both sides. So what you're gonna do is pull both levers all the way down, and that's gonna be how you're gonna get that on.
A few moments later.
All right, now we got the lever on. Well, I'm talking about the lever. Pause. All right, now we got this stock on, y'all. Like I say, I like the collapsible stock. Just give you whatever comfort you need out of it. Standard, they gonna come with 30 round mags. But for me, myself, I kind of trust Pro Mag a little bit. I always test mags out before I rely on them. But we got the 40 round mag. I don't like to go too heavy. Well, too many bullets, because that's when they get heavy. It kind of throw off stability or whatever of the gun while aiming. But got two 40 round mags. Like I said, this Pro Mag, y'all, check it out. So now we got 10 extra shots. Of course, mag is empty. It's starting to look better already. So the next thing I'm gonna be putting on is, like I said, I do have a foregrip. It'll be easier to put that on, so I put that on video. Well, the foregrip is by WL Tactical. Got a nice little package on it. And my thing is, it's a 3-position foregrip, y'all. Like I say, 16-inch barrel. You can put different grips on it. So that's how we coming. I'm gonna get that clamped on. Like I said, I'm gonna have to hold it up in the air to see exactly how I want to position this. So I had to hold the gun up to get it exactly how I wanted it. But what I ended up doing was holding it out. And like I said, I found a position that was comfortable for me. I like my stock extended out to the middle, so that's like the third click. And also, I just want to have it to where I can kind of have a nice posture with this mag. So, of course, you take the screw out so you can actually slide it down. And then the screw will actually slide down in this railing system. And then it has a bolt on the other side that you kind of just put in place. And then as you're tightening it, then, of course, you'll kind of lock in. But I think that's going to be pretty good. Because like you say, 3-position grip. Well, it got a lot of different positions, you ain't gonna have it out. So there's 1, 2, and then 3 like that. So it's very sturdy, y'all. Like I say, it's on there pretty good. And for now, so we're gonna move on to the next attachment I have in, which will be my hand grip, y'all. I always change out the hand grip. Like I say, it's just cheap plastic. And I prefer the whole grips. So I always, for my AKs and my ARs, I always go with that whole rubberized grip, and it provides so much more stability. I get this took off, of course, first. I actually have another hand grip that I'm going to show to compare before I actually get this one took off to show y'all the difference on it. Say it's the mono grip. As you can see, it's pretty much the same size, but it does have that back piece on it. And I mean, me personally, I like it. Just a lot more stability, man. Y'all play Call of Duty, man. I promise y'all, this thing make aim stability, idle aim, sway, all that goes up.
Bravo 6, going dark.
So, like I said, it's kind of hard to tell, but it is a little bit more bulky in certain areas. It's not just straight up and down like this one. Let's see if I can hold it where you can actually see it. It's actually kind of bulky, but y'all, that rubberized grip is in finger grips too. So it's just definitely going to lock in place better compared to just a plastic grip, y'all. All right, y'all, like I say, so it's going to take an Allen key. I don't know exactly what size this is. Like I said, it's an old wrist one, but I knew it'll fit. I got a lot of little tools for stuff like this, but I'm going to go ahead and start unscrewing this out of there. Hold it up just a tad. And like I said, all these mods, I give prices on it, but I like doing kind of do it yourself for y'all. So a lot of this stuff on the channel will be y'all watching me try different things, just trying different attachments, y'all. I ain't gonna always go cheap. Like I said, you don't need to have a $500 hand grip. If I'm gonna spend money on anything, it's probably gonna be the scope or something like this. So everything else, I try to keep it around $20 to $30. My limit is normally $40, y'all. I ain't trying to break the bank. But as you can see, be careful. You do have a spring on this. That's just kind of help eject it when you loosen it up, but I'm gonna pop this screw on down. So definitely want to keep that washer on there, y'all, as you can see, and keep up with all your parts. Like I said, you got a little baby spring that sits in there. So we're gonna take this out. Like I said, the new things have the same type of stuff on it. Put that spring back in. And what I like to do is go ahead and get this started. And I'm gonna hold this upside down, y'all. Like I said, kind of don't want to get too much in the camera, but make sure I put this on pretty good without it falling out. I may have to wait on that. So I'm trying to hold it where y'all can see everything. But really, this is what we'll do, right? So we're gonna put this, I'm gonna go ahead and sit this down on there. All right, so got that in.
Okay.
Just gonna make sure it's on there good. Like I said, this screw gonna tighten up the wrist, but definitely wanna make sure you got it on there as good as you can. I'll go back in with this screw now. So we definitely want to make sure everything's tight, y'all. Like I said, it's still a gun, still gonna be defense, and that's on there, y'all. Like I said, it kind of locks in the back place, so I think it looks a lot better. Gun already coming together.
Yeah, puss boy, I'ma come and get you. Come get you. Walk him down. Yeah, his friend bait. Oh my God.
I think that was all my mods for today, y'all. So on this video, I'm showing y'all how to do the stock hand grip. I put on my E-Mag and I put on a foregrip 3-position. You know, that's pretty much gonna be it, y'all. Like I said, I got a few more things coming in. I definitely want to get like a strobe / laser to put on here with the attachment to where when you hit the button on it or the knob, it comes on. We'll be changing out the muzzle after shooting, y'all. I definitely want to test this mag out. But for right now, I think the gun already looking better, y'all.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Look a lot more tactical to me. It's definitely gonna be a lot more comfortable. Like I said, got a brace for in the front. Got a rubberized hand grip. And we got a better looking stock than the first one, y'all. So let me know what y'all think about the build so far. We are 4 attachments in. But it's gonna be a long process and finding out what ammo works best and all those other things. And like I said, I get into the changing out the trigger maybe one day and other things of that nature, y'all. But hopefully y'all been enjoying the process on this gun. Like I said, just a little cheap budget AR-15 build, the Diamondback 15. Real slept on gun. Y'all, Diamondback does make good products, and just definitely want to test this one out, y'all. So let me know what you think.
Hey, thanks for taking my call. So, I agree with what Monica Lewinsky has been saying. Cyberbullying is definitely a problem, but there's a solution. And, kids these days are kind of soft. I feel like maybe they could just close their laptops or even block the person. And, in elementary school, I would get bullied all the time. I would just tell them, hey, look, Buster, you're talking to the guy with the biggest